Hello everyone and welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to create this beautiful looking 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive in and let's start creating this text. So first let's remove this text effect and let's type our text. The font I'm using for this text effect is Burberry and the font size will be 265 point. Let's center this to the artboard. And next click on this none to remove the fill color, and then we'll go to appearance panel. Here click on this add new fill icon and let's change the color of this layer first, then click OK. Now duplicate this layer and let's change the color of this layer. Then click OK. Next, keep selecting this layer. We need to apply offset path to this layer. Let's go to effect, path and offset path and apply a 10 pixel offset path. Then click OK. Next, duplicate this layer and now select this layer and let's change the color. Next, click on this arrow and we need to apply a transform effect to this layer. For that, let's go to effect, distort and transform, and here apply these values: minus 0.5 pixel for horizontal, 0.5 pixel for vertical, and we need 35 copies. Then click OK. Next, duplicate this layer and let's change the color of this layer first. Next, click on this arrow and then go to effect, distort and transform, and let's apply these values: minus 25 pixel for horizontal, 25 pixel for vertical. Then click OK. Next, drag this layer to bottom. Let's apply a Gaussian blur to this black layer. Let's go to effect, blur and Gaussian blur, and let's apply a 25 pixel Gaussian blur. Then click OK. Click on this arrow, click on opacity and change the opacity to 80%. Next, select this layer and duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and change the color to white and let's drag this to bottom. Now select this last white layer and we need to apply offset path to this layer. For that, let's go to effect, path and offset path. Click on apply new effect and let's apply a 24 pixel offset path and then click OK. So here is our final text effect look. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.